Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. And love is in the air at the moment because Valentine's Day is currently just around the corner. I didn't know what sort of eye makeup I really wanted to do for Valentine's Day. I know the first thing that pops in everyone's head is, oh, we're just going to do hearts, which there's nothing wrong with that because there's so many incredible, talented people who've created such incredible pink, glittery, sparkly eye looks and they just look absolutely amazing, and so many like heartbreaking eye looks as well, and they just look so cool. They look really cool. So I was just thinking, what would I do this year for Valentine's Day? And it just came to me that I want to do something themed with strawberries because I love strawberries and strawberries are very romantic themed as well. So I've created this very simple strawberry eye look. It's so simple and it's so fun to do, and what got my inspiration was these adorable strawberry earrings. Now my friend Leia actually made these earrings. In fact, she makes all different kinds of earrings. She actually makes these same earrings in pink as well. She does like cute little froggies, she does like big heart ones as well. She does all different kinds of cute earrings, like absolutely adorable cute earrings. If that's your kind of jam, then I will link her Instagram in the description bar below, as well as her Etsy. This video is not sponsored by Leia or anything. She didn't ask me to do this video. I just really wanted to show you my inspiration for this eye look. I just saw these earrings on her website and I literally just had to get them. They're super adorable and they're not expensive either. I think these cost me like £8 or something, so they are really inexpensive. So if you want to check these earrings out for yourself, like I said, I will link her Etsy and her Instagram down below. So I'm going to show you guys how I created this very simple strawberry eye look for Valentine's Day. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to see how I created this very simple strawberry eyes for Valentine's Day, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I had to have a little practice on this eye because I just had to figure out how to do it. So this is what I've come up with. It's just a very simple strawberry eye look, you know, perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to show you how I did this eye on this eye. So I've already primed my lid with just a little bit of concealer, you know, everyone knows that. Hello guys, unfortunately my microphone has had a massive hiccup. There's massive buzzy noises in the background, so the rest of it's going to have to be voiceovered, I'm afraid. I'm so sorry about this. So the first thing I did was I grabbed the NYX Ultimate Edits palette in warm neutrals. I grabbed this warm copper red shade on a flat brush and I basically start packing this on the lid, not bringing it up too high, but I start creating this circle slash ovary kind of shape on my eye. It's quite hard to explain, so you just have to watch me apply it. Once I feel like I'm happy filling in that colour, I'm then just going to grab some concealer on a flat brush and I'm just going to start carving around that red eyeshadow just to make it a little bit more sharp and precise. And because I want to add a bit more shimmer to the lid, I'm going to go in with this red coppery shimmery colour. It's so pretty, on another flat brush. And I'm just going to pack this literally just on top of that matte colour. Ooh, that colour is just so pretty. Once I feel happy applying that colour, I'm now going to start creating the leaves and the stem for the strawberry. So I'm going to grab a Makeup by Tammi Cake eyeliner. Not too sure what this colour is again, so I will pop it on screen. And I'm starting to create that shape with one of Makeup by Tammi's eyeliners. I'm not too sure if this is the 00 or the 000. It is her thinnest eyeliner brush, so I'm not too sure if it's that one or the other one, but I'm using that eyeliner brush just to create those leaves. So I'm doing a couple of like triangles and ovals because they're all different shapes and sizes, and creating the stem. Once you feel happy with that, I'm then just going to go in with a darker green eyeliner just to add more of like the outlines, the bit of the depth. So this one here, this is the Rimmel Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow. This one's in the shade Kaching. Not sure if you can still get this or not. Yeah, it is quite old. It's quite lumpy. but for doing the outlines, it's absolutely fine. So just very carefully, I'm just going to start just doing it just like I've done this eye, just on the outer bits of the leaves, but very carefully. Once I've done that, I now have to create the dots for like the strawberry. You know, it has those little dots on it. The seeds will kind of be the little dots. I thought would be really fun to put on the lid would be adding a bit of glitter. I've got this old Tanya Blurr glitter. It's like a bronzy gold glitter. It's really, oh, it's so stunning. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to grab my Barry M glitter fix gel. You can use eyelash glue if you want to, but this is better because it's clear. So, well, I would find this one better, but it's up to you. Use whatever you have. I'm using another 000 eyeliner brush and a 0 brush. So the 0 is going to be used for applying the glue, and the 000 is going to be used for adding the glitter. When applying this glue, try and also avoid the crease as well. You see where the lines are? Because if you put it there, then it's just going to crease on your lid. So when making the dots, I personally just apply it around like this. Or maybe apply one here. Now this is optional, you can just add a normal brow bone highlighter if you want to, or nothing at all. But I'm going to go in with something a bit funky, so I'm going to go in with this. This is the Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadow in Solace. It's so beautiful. A little flat brush here. I'm just going to apply this just under the brow bone. Maybe bring it across, but be very careful not to catch the leaves. Okay, I'm just going to go back with the matte colour and the shimmery colour with the same brushes. And I'm just going to run them under the lower lash line and in the waterline. Just going to go in with some leftover concealer. I'm going to do the same like I did on the lid. I'm going to start sharpening out underneath the eye. Might need to add a bit more actually, because I feel like my brush has dried out a bit. Pretty much like that, just to keep it sharp and keep it like a circle. I'm just going to add some falsies just on the outer edge, and I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay, just added the mascara and falsies, and this is it. This is the simple strawberry eye look complete. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. I just had so much fun filming this eye look. I don't know, it just was so simple, and yeah, I just love it. I love it. I just had so much fun today, and I hope you guys have had fun too. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. And if you guys have any feedback for me regards to improving my makeup or anything, please don't hesitate to put it in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys, take care.